So the next topic from the hydrocarbons is benzene. The benzene is a simplest aromatic organic compound which has a structure six-membered ring. It has a carbon, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has a six-number ring. So it is a planar. It has a delocalized pi electrons. It all carbons are sp2 hybridized. So all CC bond are sp2 overlapping. So the CC bond length is 139 picometers. The CC bond length is 139 picometers and carbon hydrogen bond is 109 picometers. Very important. The carbon hydrogen bond angle is 120 degree. Okay, this is about benzene. So we can see some reactions how to prepare the benzene. So I have taken 3 moles of acetylene. This is a triple bonded compound. I pass to the red hot iron, I will get a benzene ring. So if they ask a question, if 3 moles of acetylene is taken and it passes to the red hot iron, so what will be the product is formed, the how much electrons or how much pi electrons are involved in the products, that is a question. So you must know if 3 moles of acetylene is taken, the product will be benzene. So this is hexane. On oxidation of hexane gives benzene. Reduction of benzene gives hexane, cyclohexane. Okay. So this is a phenol. Okay. Phenol on reaction with zinc dust. What will happen here? The zinc and oxygen reacts and form zinc oxide. And the H here be here. If you mention the H also no matter. If it does not mention also no matter. So you will get a benzene. So what is this? Organic metallic compounds, that is R M G X. X is a halogen, M is a metallic, R means allyl, aryl, aromatic groups. This word is technically called as Grignard reagent. Okay, Grignard reagent, on hydrolysis of Grignard reagent you will get a product benzene, and this how they get. Here the bond breaks. Here H water can be written as H and OH. H and go and add the ring, and OH will add to the organic metallic compound. Okay, so benzene MgOH. So see this reaction next. Chemical properties. So what will be the reaction? Benzene, bromobenzene and chloromethane is taken. 2 moles of sodium in presence of dry ether. What will be the reaction? What's the reaction? So what will happen? I and the Cl eliminated and these two are bonded. One sodium will react with bromine, another sodium will react with chlorine. So C6H5CH3 NaBr NaCl. Okay. Next one is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. How will you identify the Friedel-Crafts reaction? One compound will be given. Okay. And haloalkane will be given. And using the catalyst anhydrous aluminum chloride. This is the clue to find the Friedel-Crafts reaction. What will find? What will be done? So from here one hydrogen and here one chlorine will react and form hydrochloric acid and 5, and it will be bonded. Okay. Next one is benzene is electrophilic. Benzene undergo electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction but does not undergo nucleophile substitution reaction. Here see this, here one hydrogen is here, so the hydrogen is replaced by this electrophile. Okay, for example here chlorine. So here chlorine, for understanding purpose I have taken chlorine single bond chlorine. So here this will become an attack here and it forms a hydrochloric acid. So same reduction of benzene gives platinum catalyst gives cyclohexane. So here 3, 1 will come an attack here, 2, 3. So chlorination of methane yields gamma oxide under light. Okay, here bond breaks and one will come and attack Cl2, Cl2, Cl. Cl. Okay, see this chlorination is not light. See this, but this chlorination is light. If you do vapor phase oxidation of benzene, you will get malic anhydride in presence of oxygen or vanadium pentoxide catalyst. So Birch reduction, benzene or any aromatic compounds in presence of sodium or lithium metal in presence of liquid ammonia gives cyclohexadienes. This is the Birch reduction. If there is any substitution, you should put bond like so. This is the correct answer. So finding the ortho meta para products, if there is any substitution here, that may be any phenol, CH3 carboxylic acid, this is a functional group, this is the ortho, this is the meta, this is the para position. So ortho groups are phenol and C2, any alkyl group, that is they will give the product at ortho and para, they do not form product at meta. Here the product ortho and para, which is more stable. Para products are stable because here a group is attached, here the another, here there will be a repulsion or steric inheritance. Here there is least steric inheritance, so the para products are more stable. Meta product, they form products only at the meta position, that is carboxylic acids, aldehyde, cyanide, nitro, sulfonic acid and ketone.